Let's talk about a problem most women over 50 and 60 quietly face, a problem that shows up every morning before the day even begins. You go to bed, you've just dyed your roots 2 or 3 weeks ago, and you're thinking you bought yourself a little peace of mind. But then the morning comes. You wake up, stretch your arms, fix your pillow, and before you even get out of bed, there it is, those stray strands of hair left behind on the sheet. A reminder that your hair is thinning, changing, and not as strong as it once was. You walk into the bathroom, pick up your comb, and before you're even halfway through, you see it, the silver line pushing through at the roots. And in that moment you sigh, because didn't you just cover this? Didn't you just spend hours at the salon, not to mention a good amount of money, just a couple of weeks ago? This isn't imagination. This is daily reality for so many senior women. The constant cycle of coloring, retouching, hiding, repeating. It's exhausting. It's expensive. And worse, it steals your confidence. Instead of feeling fresh and free, you feel chained to a bottle of dye or tied down to a salon chair. And maybe deep down you've even thought, will I be stuck doing this for the rest of my life? That's the silent struggle nobody talks about. The endless battle against grays. The emotional weight of feeling like your beauty is slipping away with every root that shows. But let me pause right here and tell you, you are not stuck. You are not powerless. And no, you don't have to fight this battle forever. There is a way to move from frustration to freedom. There is a way to work with your hair instead of against it. It's called gray blending. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare for gray blending in 4 powerful steps. Steps that will save you money, protect your confidence, and help you feel stylish and proud again. But listen, don't click away. Because the last step is the one most women overlook. And it's the step that makes the difference between feeling insecure about your grays and walking through this journey with confidence and elegance. So stay with me until the very end. And before we go any further, subscribe to Eversmart Senior Women. This is where women over 50 and 60 come together to stay stylish, confident, and light. Hit that button now, because you don't want to miss the support and encouragement waiting for you here. Now, let's dive into the first step to prepare for your gray blending journey. Step 1. Shift your mindset about gray hair. Here's the truth, preparing for gray blending is not just about your hair. It starts in your mind. For decades, we've been told that gray hair means old, that it means letting yourself go. Magazines, salons, even friends sometimes reinforce that fear. So when you see your first silver strands, your first instinct is to cover them, to hide them, to erase them. But what if gray hair didn't mean losing beauty? What if it meant gaining authenticity? Think about it. Every strand of silver is proof of your wisdom, your experiences, your resilience. It's not a flaw to hide, it's a feature to blend with pride. Gray blending is about transition. It's about letting go of that constant anxiety over your roots while still maintaining a polished, flattering look. But here's the catch, if you approach it with fear, if you believe that blending grays will make you look older or less stylish, you'll sabotage yourself before you even start. So the first step is mindset. Ask yourself, why do I want to blend my grays? Is it to save money and time? Is it to finally feel free from the salon treadmill? Is it to step into a more natural, confident version of yourself? Whatever your reason, write it down. Own it. Because when your why is strong, the how becomes much easier. Now I want to ask you directly, what is your biggest fear about going gray? Is it looking washed out? Is it what your family or friends will say? Or is it that you won't recognize yourself? Drop your answer in the comments. It's important for you to share, not just for me to know, but because another woman watching this may have the same fear, and your words might make her feel less alone. So remember, preparation begins not with a product, not with a stylist, but with your perspective. See your gray hair not as the end of beauty, but as the beginning of freedom. Step 2. Assess the current state of your hair. Now that your mindset is shifting, it's time to get practical. You can't prepare for gray blending without first understanding the current condition of your hair. Take a good, honest look at your strands. Is your gray coming in mostly around the temples? Is it sprinkled lightly throughout? Or is it already more dominant on top and around your crown? The distribution of your gray will determine what kind of blending approach works best for you. Next, think about your hair texture. Is it fine and fragile? Thick and coarse? Curly, wavy, or straight? Grays often feel different than pigmented hair. They can be wiry, more resistant to color, or more prone to dryness. Knowing this helps you and your stylist plan a blending technique that won't damage your strands. And let's not forget hair health. Are you dealing with thinning, shedding, or breakage? If so, it's better to strengthen your hair first before you dive into any chemical blending process. Sometimes, a few months of deep conditioning, protein treatments, or gentle handling makes all the difference in how successful your transition will be. So here's a question for you. When was the last time you really looked at your hair, not just to cover it, but to assess it? Have you noticed patterns in how your grays are coming in? Share that in the comments. It matters because once you name what's happening, you can choose the right solution. This step may seem simple, but it's the foundation. You wouldn't build a house without checking the ground first. And you shouldn't prepare for gray blending without first knowing exactly what you're working with. Step 3. Build your gray-friendly hair care routine. Here's where preparation turns into action. If you're going to blend your grays, you need a supportive hair care routine that keeps your strands healthy, shiny, and manageable. First, hydration is everything. Gray hair naturally loses some of the oils that kept your darker hair soft and sleek. This means it can get dry or frizzy more easily. Switching to moisturizing shampoos, nourishing conditioners, and leave-in creams can transform how your grays behave. Second, think about tone. Many women find that their grays can pick up yellow or brassy tones over time. That's why purple shampoos or silver-enhancing products are game changers. They neutralize the brassiness and make your grays look bright, intentional, and stylish instead of dull. Third, protect your strands. Heat styling, overwashing, or harsh dyes can make blending more difficult. If you're serious about this journey, ease up on high-heat tools and chemical treatments that strip the hair. Instead, focus on gentle styling that shows off your texture. Now let me ask you, have you already started using products that work with your grays, or are you still treating your hair like it was in your 30s and 40s? Be honest in the comments, because this simple shift in your routine might be the key that changes everything for you. This step may not feel glamorous, but it's critical. Gray blending isn't just a color process, it's a care process. And when you nourish your hair, your stylist will have a much easier time creating a seamless, beautiful blend. Step 4. Partner with the right stylist, and have the conversation most women avoid. Finally, let's talk about the step most women avoid, but it's the one that makes or breaks your gray blending journey. Partnering with the right stylist. Not every stylist is trained or comfortable in gray blending. Some will try to push you into full coverage color because it's what they know. Others might not have the patience to work with your natural texture and growth pattern. That's why you must choose carefully. When you sit down in that chair, don't be shy. Tell your stylist, I'm preparing for gray blending. I want a look that helps me transition without feeling washed out or stuck in between. A good stylist will listen, ask questions, and offer options. Highlights, low-light, babyllights, or even a softer root smudge, these techniques all help create a natural transition. But here's the key, you have to be patient. Gray blending is not a one-session miracle. It's a journey. Sometimes it takes several appointments over months to get it right. That's why your partnership with your stylist is so important. Now I want to hear from you. Do you already have a stylist you trust with this, or are you still searching? Leave your answer in the comments, and don't underestimate how valuable your feedback could be for another woman watching this who feels lost about where to start. This step matters because gray blending isn't just about hair. It's about communication, trust, and having the courage to ask for what you need. With the right stylist by your side, you'll never feel like you're doing this alone. You are not behind. You are not losing yourself. You are evolving. Every strand of silver hair is not a mark of loss. It's a mark of wisdom, resilience, and beauty. The frustration you've been carrying, you don't have to carry it anymore. With these 4 steps, you can move from feeling trapped in endless dye cycles to feeling free, elegant, and authentically you. If this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up. And let's make this real. Comment below and tell me, are you ready to try gray blending or are you still on the fence? I read every single reply, and your story could encourage another woman here. And don't forget to subscribe to Eversmart Senior Women. This is where we learn, grow, and glow together after 50. You don't have to do this journey alone. Join us and let's make these years the most confident, stylish, and joyful yet. Thank you for joining me today. Trust you had a good time watching this video. Remember, we're not done yet because I have lots of other information ahead specially tailored for beautiful women like you. See you in the next one. God bless you.